Good evening, gentlemen. Welcome back to the multiverse. I'm Levi Alberts, and in this video, we're going to be showing you a 3D printer. You would want to watch this video, pretty much. Yup. I'm just wearing my leather jacket from 2 videos ago. Yup. Pretty stylish, isn't it? So yeah. Anyways, let's get on with it. Let me just flip the screen. Alright, now. Okay. So, we're gonna be using my 3D printer. Let me show you guys. Alright. Oh, and one more thing. I'm back from the cabin from last video. Sorry if the video was too long. I had to record and stop and all that. You know what I mean. Anyways, here's my 3D printer. The FlashForge Adventurer 3. So I'm going to show you how to use it. And one of my teachers, Mrs. O'Sullivan, she'll want to see this because she wants to know how 3D printing works. So yeah, this video is kind of to show you how this works. The FlashForge Adventurer 3 Pro. Anyways, so first, we're gonna have a review on it. Hang on. Dang plug-in. So, anyways, I'll just show you from here. Actually, wait, I'll just move the bench closer. Okay. Alright, the bench is pretty close. Now to put the 3D printer on top. Gosh dang it. Oh wait, you might not have saw that. Damn. Anyways, yep. That's my 3D printer. Oh wait, let me just move it closer to the couch. Yeah. Alright, so let's take a review. The FlashForge Adventurer 3 Pro. A perfectly huge printer to print small items. So let me show you guys the review. You can open the door and you can see what's inside. Pretty cool, huh? And here's the filament extruder. This part's not actually hot, but this part. Just letting you know. And right here's the board which moves so the extruder can do its magic. So, yep. And also, right here is where the filament goes. Yep. This This is the red filament of for the 3D printer. Yep. So the filament, you see, goes into the feeding mechanism, which goes up, and there's the filament right here going into this pipe and down into here. That's where the filament comes out with the extruder. Yep. And also, in case you didn't know, there's also a camera right here. This right here. That's a camera. But I still gotta get that figured out. Oh look, there's some filament right there. A view of the filament peeking out right there, as you can see. And this is yep. So there's a window, a next door window. Here's my hand. And yeah. So anyways, let me show you what I printed so far. This is a Shy Guy. Yep. From Super Mario. Yep. Here's another one I created since I was bored, and yeah. Here's a Star Wars Rebel logo. Well, this is the first one. Yeah. There was a little accident right here. And here's the second one. Yeah. Oh. On the back, you can see. There's no accident. Here's a comparison. Yep. So, and also, this is kind of a thing to show that 3D printing can be a real pain sometimes, like I said in the last video. And you're not gonna believe your eyes. Here is an articulated axolotl, which took a while to print. But yeah, look at it. Look how cool it is. It's a very perfect design. Yep. So you can kind of move it around and yep. So yeah, that's technically what I printed so far. Oh, and almost forgot about that block. It's downstairs right now, but I'm not in the mood for getting it. Anyways, let me show you what happens. Let's turn on this 3D printer. Oh, hang on. Gotta put this piece back on. I forgot all about that. Oh. And perfect. Now, let's turn on the 3D printer. Huh? Why isn't it turning on? Oh, wait. I think I know why. It's all plugged in. Let's see. Shoot, I hope this thing works. Is this thing working? Maybe I have to do it all over again. Hello? Something's up. You know what, I'm just gonna cut the video until I figure it out. I'm just gonna cut it. Let's see what's wrong with this thing. I found out. I just had to twist this plug-in. It just took a second. Anyways, so now I finally. Now, let me show you how to use this thing. So, you can go to build. Let me turn down the volume. Ugh. Yeah. There we go. Volume down. Anyways, now we can use this thing in peace and quiet. Oh, there's a reflection coming from the TV, so the 3D printer glass. Anyways, that doesn't matter. Anyways, let me show you how this thing works. So, first, here's the basics. Oh, dang it, it's too bright. Sorry if it's pretty bright. Anyways, let me show you. So, filament. You can put the filament in. No. Wait, no. No. I almost did something. So this is how you put the filament in. This is how you put the filament out. Yeah. And this, I don't know. Anyways, tools, network, preheat, settings, and about. Let's not get into that right now. Let me show you how this thing works. So to build something, you go to build and press on this thing, and yeah. Here's all the files I have so far. An Eric Cartman from South Park, Shy Guy, a Star Wars Rebel logo, an Articulate Axolotl, and this, the cube. Do you know what? Anyways, I think I'll do this one because it's pretty quick. Anyways, let's press this and let it do its magic. Oh wait, actually, not yet. Just press this. And there we go. And let it do its magic. Yep. There's some lights on in the extruder. You can, of course, turn it off and turn it back on. Now, go to here. Oh wait, this one cancels the print job, so you don't want to do that. Yeah. This right here pauses the 3D printing project. And yeah, that's kind of it. Anyways, there's the filament coming out. This might take a while, but yeah. Just gonna wait till it starts moving.
Levi?
Yeah?
Let's go, soup's ready.
Hang on.
Okay, you're wasting the services.
Dang it. I've got to go for my mushroom soup. But I'm gonna record a time lapse. Oh wait, I know why it's not moving. It has to get to, it's the temperature. It has to get to the temperature before it starts moving. Feel this. Don't do what I'm doing. It's not even hot. Oh, dang it. Oh, but the platform is warm. Oh, there's some filament. It's coming out. And there we go. Perfect. Anyways, I'm just gonna go down for my soup and record make this thing record a time lapse while this thing's running. Alright. Oh, and one more thing. If you're wondering why it's making that noise, it's just because it's printing on there. It's for the extruder to start doing this. Anyways, let's start recording the time lapse. It's so annoying. Anyways, let's get to it. Alright. Time lapse time. The 3D print is done. It finished the job more quickly than I thought. I recorded a time lapse and I'll edit that. I had to use my iPad stand to hold the phone for the 3D printer. Anyways, when the print finishes, it'll say build complete. Now, let's take this thing out. Here it is. Alright, let me just get this out. And there we go. Yep. Officially your 3D print. Hang on, let me take off the support. Let me just put the phone on the door. And let's take this off. Prepare to be satisfied. Boom. And hang on. Just hang on, I'll be right there. And here's your block. Your 3D printed block. Pretty cool, huh? Let me just close the door real quick. Yep. That's how the FlashForge Adventurer 3 works. Anyways, let's put this in with the other 3D prints right here. And yeah. Anyways, that wraps it up, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you get ideas of what to buy something like this. And comment down below if you want. And also, comment down below and comment down below and tell me what to 3D print. Any of your ideas, I just might do it. Anyways, that's it. Hopefully you're a fan of this, and I hope you're interested. This technology is next level. Anyways, I'll see you in the next video, guys. I'll see you around, guys. Peace out.